I always brag that we don't have the beach, but we definitely have the biodiversity, so welcome to Waterberg.
Waterberg was identified as one of the key pilot projects for the district development model by the President because of its nature being declared as UNESCO heritage site. The district had a huge potential in terms of tourism.
We have partnered with a number of organizations to really think through how can we bring people in these communities into tourism. And as a result, we have run 2 Airbnb academies focused on training tourism entrepreneurs from different communities in the Waterberg and to highlight these wonderful and unique experiences.
The Airbnb Entrepreneurship Academy is really trying to ensure that there is inclusive tourism, which really targets the barriers to access to tourism for a diverse group.
You find there's poor digital connection in rural areas, there's the ability to sustain their business. They're unable to sustain due to financial constraints. There's also lack of market access. But Airbnb coming into the space, this program is definitely going to assist with some of those barriers.
One of the very impressive things about this program today is that Airbnb has stopped talking. Airbnb hasn't been talking like people were talking. They're actually delivering a concrete project that benefits people directly.
I decided to sign up for the Airbnb Entrepreneurship Academy because I felt like women are left behind. The academy was going to expose me to opportunities and also link me to the relevant market.
The biodiversity in our communities is very rich, and the only way to tap into that wealth is to be out there. I'm not doing it only for myself as an individual, I'm also doing it for my community.
Our drive is to market South Africa as a whole, including Waterberg, to the people of South Africa, so that we have got more South Africans visiting areas like Waterberg to be able to experience their own country. Working together through social partnership between Airbnb and the district municipalities created opportunities for ordinary people.
I think the Airbnb Entrepreneurship Academy has validated the work that I do. It has also given me the confidence to go out there and sell the story.
I realized it's an opportunity. It really gave me a guarantee that it's possible, it's doable.